a few students what can be upgraded in the school environment.
I believe the toilet's cleanliness and functionality can be upgraded. Students can't keep up with their hygiene because of the lack of hygiene products. This can create an unsanitary environment. Additionally, it's important to always restock on supplies such as toilet paper and soap, as well as ensuring that the toilets are always cleaned and disinfected.
I do agree with her. Poor bad hygiene can lead to the ulcerations and spread of germs, which can cause illness and disease. In addition, I think free sanitary pads can be provided for the girls. I know it needs a lot of funding, but I think it would be really useful for us.
I suggest the Environment Club to come up with more ideas to repurpose waste such as papers and organic waste are produced at the school. I've noticed near the canteens, the leaves are burning, and also the canteen throws away liters of cooking oil every day.
As a conclusion from the survey, we can find that the students would like a better toilet hygiene and upcycling of waste produced at our school in a very cost-efficient way.
Therefore, we are presenting this eco-friendly idea that can help us overcome both issues in one go, presenting the RELEAF Hygiene Gate. We are using a wide range of common waste that we encounter in our daily life. These waste are easily accessible from our surrounding areas.
Types of waste.
The like button and support our group.